Stock tip. Best stock setups.
Hello everybody, this is Marcel Todea from Stock Tip Daily Update with the latest episode. Well, after yesterday's high volatility and surprise growth over 2% in the S&P 500 and over 3% in the Nasdaq, we started the day with a gap down and we've continued down from there. And the big thing of the week was that we've reached our target for 1,300 in the S&P 500. So this is the target I was following for 1,300, and also in the Nasdaq we've also reached our target. And sadly, this was all there was to be for the bounce. After that, we've turned south again, and today we only knew one direction here. If you take a look at the intraday chart, so only one direction, a bit of a consolidation, and simply just one direction the whole day. So the next question is what happens now? Which way will the market turn? Well, I think the market is going to continue go south, and we're going to finally reach 3,900, perhaps even 3,700. So I will be very happy if we manage to reach sooner than later 3,700. This would be somewhere in the range of the 200 weekly average here in the S&P 500. And then after that, perhaps even 3,600, and perhaps after that we might just be able to go long again. So I know that this would make for the best buying opportunity we've had for a couple of years now, and I would be eager to see us reaching 3,600 or 700. So I would go all in on the SPY or on the S&P 500 as soon as we reach this target. Before that, I don't think the market is healthy enough. That's why I think our strategy should still be mainly cash. I was a bit optimistic for the short term, and on the website I've written 40% long in the main markets, with a short-term prognosis of buy short term. The long term and medium term was still bearish. But I will have to change it back again to perhaps neutral. No, neutral was the prognosis, and I think I will leave it to neutral in the short term, and I think the main position to be held is still cash. So I know I am now exclusively cash. I have also closed my position in my options on the S&P 500. I don't have anything active at the moment, but I have given you one setup yesterday, and this setup seems to have broken down. I've told you yesterday this was a setup for breakout or breakdown, and it seems that on holding decided for breakdown. So I think the next target here will be somewhere in the range of 20, perhaps a bit more, but 20 would do fine for a first target, and the second target would be, let's see, the second target would be somewhere in the range of 17. This would be the second target. So let's see how this stock is going to perform. I think I like it. Let's just see how it's going to perform from here. Okay, let's get back to the markets. Then the DAX also had a negative day, and I can clearly see us continuing south again and testing this low here. The euro to US dollar pretty much negated everything it gained yesterday, and I see us still reaching 103 here. The only thing with a positive day was oil, but as you can see from the chart, from a technical standpoint, it's still not the best of days here. It basically looks like a hanging man, which could mean short-term, in the short term, a downtrend. Gold in the negative, silver with a big candle nonetheless, and silver also with a pretty big candle in the negative, so I see a downwards move here as well. Well, that's all I had to say about markets today. Remember, the strategy is still mainly cash. If you do decide for trade or two, I have the best candidate here, On. I hope you decided to get it. On was a nice candidate and has a bit of a potential here on the downside, at least at least to 20, but possibly to 17 here. So nice potential on the downside. And this was my candidate for you. Well, see you again tomorrow, and let's see how the week is going to happen. I find it pretty exciting. A lot of action, a lot of volatility, but in the end, nothing.